Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So I received recently some messages to explain how to expand the background without destroying the image like this. So in this video I'm explaining step by step how you can isolate the girl from the image and expand your background without destroying it. So let's start by selecting here the quick selection tool, and here on top let's select subject, so that Photoshop will select the girl for us. Now we go to menu select and just save your selection. We can call it girl. Hit OK, and now we just need to go to edit, content aware scale, and here on top you need to have the girl selection that you've made previously selected, or whatever name you have done to that selection. But you need to do this in order to Photoshop protect this layer and expand only the background that wasn't selected. So now with the girl protected, we can click and drag our image. And as you can see, it does a pretty good job. Okay, and there you go. It's much simpler to do this. Of course, it will depend on your image. There are some that are very difficult to do this kind of extension, let's call it. So maybe you need to work in specific areas of the image, but in this case it works pretty well. So I have another example here with a different type of image. In this case the subject is a car going in the street. We have the sky, some trees, and the road down below. And let's try to do the same here. Of course, we can have some extension here in the clouds, but let's see how it will work. So we'll select the quick selection tool. We click again on select subject here on top, and here the selection is not so well because the colors are pretty much the same here on top. So with the polygonal lasso tool I can add the selection. Okay, now I have my selection, and I will hit again the select menu and save selection. I will call it car. Hit OK, and now I can go to edit, content aware scale, and make sure here I have the selection to protect which was the one I created, like car, and I can click and start dragging so that Photoshop will create the background for us. And there you go. And there you go. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and thanks for watching.